In this next video, I'm going to show you how to add some content to your home page, and then we're going to add a new page and add a slideshow to that page. First, I downloaded several pictures that say something about me. There's a picture of myself, picture of a drug design experiment, picture of the college that I teach online for, picture of a pharmacist, because that's what I started out as, a professor, and a swim team, since I coach swimming. So I saved all these in a folder, and now I'm going to open up my Weebly site, students.weebly.com. I've already logged in, and I have a couple of sites here. This is the one I'm interested in, so I'm going to open it. And there's the site. Now down here on the home page, there's a place to drag elements there. Now I'm going to drag an image plus text. So I drop that here. And now it says click here to edit or upload an image. So if I click upload an image, I can grab a photo from my folder, and I'll grab that picture of me. That looks okay. Now I'm going to say something like, welcome to my website. Hi, I'm Doug Henry. Welcome to my Weebly website. I hope you enjoy your visit. Thanks. Now the spacing's a little bit off here. Let me add a little space there, and tell you what I'll do is change the font. Make it bold, and let's center it and see what happens. There we go. So that looks pretty good. Now the picture you can do things with as well. If I click it and go down to advanced, I can change the border to be something like a thick border and make it black. So you see a border showed up there. So that's my simple but effective welcome message. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add a new page to my website. So I click Pages, and now I'm going to add a page, and it'll be just a standard page. I'm going to call it My Life. My Life So Far. Okay, now I can pick the page layout, and in this one I think I'll just have a no header page, and I'll save it and edit. So there's my page, and now what am I going to do on this page? It's called My Life So Far. I'm going to create a slideshow. So I'm going to drag slideshow into it. And it asks now, what kind of a slideshow do you want? Well, it's a simple slideshow, so I think but I would like some thumbnails to show up on it. So let's go ahead and have thumbnails on the bottom. Click continue. Now I need to drag photos into the area here. So they should be dragged in order. So I'm going to add my photo first, and then I'm going to add sharks, because I was coaching swim team when I was a kid. And then I'm going to add pharmacist, because that's what I graduated as. Then I'm going to add drug design. Okay. Next, I'm going to add professor. And next, I'm going to add OTC. And finally, I'm going to add CLS lab, the computer lab here. So actually, my professor belongs up here. So I started off, I was a swim coach since I was about 18. I became a pharmacist. Then I became a professor. And then I worked in the area of drug discovery. And after I retired, I teach online at this college in Missouri. And I teach some computer classes at Calvary. Okay, let's click Save. To get out of the editor in Weebly, go up to the far right and click the three little lines. Click Exit Editor. And this takes you back to your Weebly account page. From there, you can simply click Log Out. If there's anything that you should save, it will tell you before you log out and ask you whether you want to save it.